This free tool automates the halftone background removal method that I shared in this video right here recently. Let me show you an example. I'm going to drop my design into this, click generate halftone. This is what we're working with, a very kind of complex, detailed image of a lion howling at the moon. This has been a popular design style this year. Trying to remove the background from this with a vectorizer or any other tool would be an absolute nightmare. And this tool does it perfectly, literally with one click. If I hover over the download button right here, you can see that it's removed all of the black perfectly and left that sort of halftone fade around the edges. This also works really well with this bootleg style where you've got a lot of lightning, flames potentially, and just glow effects that would typically, again, be very tough to remove the background with the traditional methods, but here it works fantastically. And there is some settings as well to this that you can change. All I really changed for this is I turned down this screen frequency to 25. The default is 35, which means the dots are a little bit finer, the halftone dots. The lower you make this value, the bigger they become. You can also change the shape right here from round to line. You can invert it for dark garments. You can adjust the black point and the white point if it's kind of taking off too little or too much for you. So there is all the customization that you will have in Photoshop as well from that tutorial that I showed you, but it's just easily done with sliders and one simple button to generate the halftone. Now, it's important to note that this background removal method doesn't work for every type of t-shirt design. It's a very particular style like the bootleg or howling at the moon. And if you're curious how to create designs that work well with this, I've actually created a prompt guide for you that's totally free. All you have to do is comment halftone underneath this video and I will send you the download link. Now, if you're going to use the halftone converter, you need to upscale your designs first. That's very important. And one tool that I recommend for this is Upscale. I'll have that linked down below as well. Because it has a free desktop app, you can download it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, if you click on the Mac option right here, it actually tells you to pay $12. Don't go that route. You want to just scroll down to the alternative downloads, scroll a bit, and then use the DMG free file right here to install it without having to pay that fee. Once you've got it installed, just open it up, drag your file into this, set it to 4x upscale. I just use the standard model, and then you can click upscale down here. You want your output to be around 4,000 to 5,000 pixels for t-shirt design. And you can also use the batch upscale function right here and just select an entire folder of designs for it to run through in bulk. Then after upscaling, you run your images through the halftone converter. And then if you're selling on Amazon Merch and you need very specific print file dimensions, you can always drop all of your results into ReadyPixel, which I'll also have linked down below. This is another free tool made by Jose. And here, if you use the reposition feature, it's automatically going to give you the Amazon Merch t-shirt dimensions, and you can add some padding right here. You can preview it on different colors. This style typically just works on black or very, very dark colors, by the way. I wouldn't upload this to white. And the good thing about ReadyPixel as well is that once you download, you can actually select very high compression right here, because these types of files after upscaling and halftoning, they're usually quite big. Like my designs are like 30, 29 MBs at the moment, but once I've resized them and compressed them right here with ReadyPixel, they actually go down all the way to like 7 or 8 MB. So the results for this are amazing. Looks really nice when printed as well with this dotted pattern, and it's by far the best and easiest solution to remove the background color from very complex designs like these. By the way, this tool was actually created by a member of Merch Mastermind, which is mine and Adam's school community, where he actually also shared a bulk version of the tool where you can literally drop like 50 or 100 designs into it and it will remove the background with this halftone effect. Super cool, works very smoothly, and it saved me a ton of time. Speaking of saving time, there is actually a free Chrome extension for Nano Banana that can help you generate images on autopilot, and I discuss how to use it in this video right here. Another big time saver, and it's free, so you definitely don't want to miss out.